In this video, I'm going to paint a landscape, a house in the forest, if you may, and then some trees. So main thing is concentrate on layers, and I've also used drawing gum, masking fluid, and then we'll get to that video. Before that, if you happen to enjoy this video, please take a moment to give it a like and subscribe. Also turn on notifications so that you don't miss new videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So as I said, this is just a house in the background full of trees, greenery and little bit of autumn trees, and then mainly in the foreground what I've done is at the top you have the autumn leaves. This reference photo I've taken it from Pinterest, so you can actually find it out easily. It's not that something which you can't find out. It's just a very good photo. Just I've taken it out of Pinterest, and then I'm just following that. I've tried my best to get the effect. I think somewhere I might have left a little bit of autumn colors, but I'm satisfied with how the painting has turned out. So make sure that like I said, I've already used masking fluid in this to cover the tree trunks, so that then I'll have more freedom towards working with the background instead of actually struggling to go around the trees and try for negative painting and then spend more time on that. So it's just up to you. If you don't have masking fluid, what you can do is just go around it and then do it. If not, what will happen is, because I'm actually, as you can see, I'm trying to apply dark colors at the bottom. If it goes on the tree trunk, and then there are two things, because I want my tree trunk, some of the tree trunks to be a little bit lighter, and the very foreground tree a little bit darker. So based on that, if you see, then you have to just make sure that you are going around that and then painting those ones. And you can also see that there are thin lines which have lifted the paint to represent tree trunks, and then there are some darker lines to show tree trunks, all mixed at the back of the house in the forest. And the light source is from left top, so you just have to keep in mind the shadows that I've painted. It's top left, and then some of the light which reaches through the trees onto the roof of the house. That's where I've made sure that it's a little bit brighter. And then the shadow which is for the house itself, so shadow under the roof, and then after that casting shadow of the trees on the grass. So these are all the things that you need to keep in mind. I've applied layer by layer. It didn't happen in just one layer, so just follow along and see whether you can get the same effect. I think it's easy, but you just have to watch it again and again and then try it out. If not, the same entire video, which is of almost an hour video, more than an hour, everything is actually going to be on my website soon, so you can actually check out on my website as well. If not, if you're watching this video for the sake of enjoy your time, and then I'll see you in some other video.